Don't skip a single step. Watch till the very end to unlock the 100% guaranteed fix.
J. Battlefront 2. Fix error code 721 step by step. No general tips. Step 1. Confirm EA server status. Not general, real check. Step 2. Disable IPv6 on your PC console router. Step 3. Change DNS settings. Step 4. Port forwarding for EA servers. Step 5. Rebuild console database, only for PS Xbox. Reset EA account link, advanced. Still not working? Use a mobile hotspot just once to check if your ISP is blocking EA connections. Create a new Windows user profile if the error persists only on one user.